I shared a video recently on social media showing off a miniature food I don't see. It was a chocolate cream pie. I used polymer clay and made a messy pie in a bottle cap to stick with a magnet to my refrigerator. Then I made a sushi roll. I definitely don't see these on social media often. I didn't do anything special with the ingredients. My cucumber is a roll of dark green, avocado is light green. I made a little effort to get that salmon color. And I wasn't going to go crazy with the rice, but since I made it too wide and ended up with two, I decided to experiment. For the first one, I used a pointed tool with a rubber tip. I figured stippling would be the easiest way to create the rice look. But for the second one, I started with stippling and then tried using a strainer. It did not have the effect I was looking for. So I rolled out a thin piece of clay and used my knife to cut a bunch of tiny pieces resembling rice. As luck would have it, once clumped together, they do resemble sticky rice. And when it starts looking too clumpy, I cut random pieces and laid them over the bare areas. Not bad for a first try. And it fits nicely into the bottle caps I bought. If there is a miniature food you don't see or don't see often, let me know in the comments.